Welcome back to the channel. Breathing apparatus, or SCBA, on ships. This piece of equipment is non-negotiable for firefighting and emergency entry into hazardous atmospheres. A faulty SCBA is worse than none at all, making the pre-use inspection absolutely crucial. The safety check is typically broken down into three main phases: the visual inspection, the pressure test, and the functionality test. This systematic approach ensures every component is ready for immediate and reliable use. First, we conduct a visual inspection. Check the overall condition of the unit. The harness and straps must be intact, not frayed, and all buckles should operate smoothly. The back plate must be undamaged. Next, examine the cylinder. The cylinder body must be free of dents, rust, or deep scratches. Crucially, verify the hydrostatic test date stamped on the bottle. It must be current, usually within 5 years. Finally, check the mask and facepiece. The rubber seal must be pliable and free of cracks or tears, and the clear visor should be clean and unscratched to ensure a clear field of vision. The second phase is the pressure test. This ensures the air supply is adequate and the system is leak-free. Slowly open the cylinder valve fully and check the gauge reading. The pressure must be at or above the minimum required level, typically 200 bar, and should never be below 80% of the cylinder's full capacity. After noting the full pressure, close the cylinder valve and watch the gauge for 1 minute. The pressure must not drop more than 10 bar. A significant drop indicates a leak in the high-pressure system, which must be immediately repaired. The final phase is the functionality test. First, check the low-pressure alarm. Slowly vent the air from the system by opening the bypass valve. As the pressure drops to the set activation point, usually between 50 and 60 bar, the alarm whistle must sound loudly and continuously. Next, check the demand valve. Connect the facepiece, take a deep breath, and hold it. The air supply should stop immediately. Now start breathing normally. Air should flow freely, showing the demand valve is operating correctly and creating a secure seal. Finally, ensure the heads-up display, or HUD if fitted, is functioning and accurately showing the remaining pressure. Only after passing all these steps is the SCBA ready to be placed on standby, fully assuring its reliability as a lifeline in a dangerous environment. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.